everyone, it's Sarah from Nova Scotia. I'm going to pour in this vase today. I got it from Dollarama for $4 and I'm going to pour on it. So I want to lift it up off the canvas a little bit. So I have these two cups I taped together I used before and this will just fit down over top, and I just need to have it slightly off of this. This is a 12 by 16 art panel primed with black gesso. And I have it on a spinner so I can turn it as I pour. And that'll just collect the extra paint that runs off, and then I can kind of do a painting with that. So I'm going to put all my paints into this split cup. It looks like a mess, but I did wash it. And I'm going to use all like lava colors. So I have red, orange, yellow, and black. And I'm going to pour them all into here and then pour it on top. I have is called Brilliant Red, a medium yellow, bright orange, black. I have a burnt orange that I just added a little bit of black to, and lemon yellow. Okay, so I'm just gonna let this drip for like 10 minutes. And then I'll spread out the rest on the art panel and we'll be back. Okay, I'm back. This is set for about 10 minutes. It's still running a little bit, but it's not dripping. Now I do wish I left myself a little more room under here. I'm not sure how I'm gonna pick this up. I'm gonna have to touch the bottom a little bit, but it will keep running and fix up my fingerprints. Now, what should I do with this? Okay, so here's the panel. I love it. So we'll see how this looks when it's dry, and then I will resin it. All right, so it's all finished. It's dried resin. I sanded the top to make it smooth. Look at that. Isn't that pretty? And then the art panel, it's not as exciting. I'm not sure what to even call this. It's kind of like a weird butterfly in the middle, maybe. I don't know. But I love this.